got me running in a circle. I'm just trying to find my way back to you. What happened to us? Round in a circle. Back where I started, I'm stuck here like glue. You keep me on a loop. I'm just trying to find my way back to you. What happened to us? Round in a circle. Back where I started, I'm stuck here like glue. You keep me on loop.
Let's go to the Hall of Justice and have some fun, because Justice League's awesome! Just like Superman. And that pretzel loop right there, guys. There we go! Score for Justice League's in the middle of the ride. Stuck. Only time will tell what happens next. We love you, Cyborg! He's not doing anything. He's just being Cyborg.
Delay operations. To my guests on board, please stay calm and stay in your seats.
So there's like, all right, cardboard puppet show.
We've got a puppet show going on in Justice League. Shout out the Penny Arcade. It's kind of weird, like none of the characters or anything are moving, but like the gas part of the tanks on the top is going around.
Experiencing temporary delay in operations. To my guests in line, if you wish to stay in line, you may. If you wish to exit, please exit the way you came. To my guests on board, please stay calm and stay in your seats.
It's so quiet in here now. I can't hear the Justice League. He grabbed his gun because the car randomly just tilted down on us.
Once again, to my guests on board, please stay calm and stay in your seats.
Oh, we're moving. Oh, we're going. We're going. Oh, it's back on track. Back to the game. Oh, the car's not turning. We're not turning. Boom, boom. We're backwards. We're backwards. Trying to shoot it backwards. Oh, it stopped again. There we go, there we go. Oh, the gun's broken too. We can't get it in. Literally. Oh, that was incredibly awesome in so many Justice League ways. Well, well, well.
Please put your blasters away.
Put your blaster away.
See you next time. We need help.
See you guys next time. Please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. Booyah!
I used to respect you, thought I was enough. Yeah, it feels like half a century.